Number 1. Mazda 3. The 2025 Mazda 3 is a stunning blend of design, performance, and technology. Available as a sleek sedan or a sporty hatchback, it offers style, practicality, and innovation at an impressive value. The base sedan starts at $25,135, while the new 2.5S hatchback trim is priced at $26,135, making it more affordable than before. Mazda enhances comfort and convenience with Amazon Alexa integration from the Select Sport trim and up, allowing voice control over in-car settings and smart home devices. The Mazda online navigation system now includes over-the-air updates for seamless travel. Higher trims bring luxury and performance, with the Turbo Premium Plus models offering premium interiors, advanced technology, and powerful driving dynamics. The standard 2.5-liter engine delivers 191 horsepower with a 6-speed automatic transmission, while the turbocharged version boosts power to 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque, paired with all-wheel drive for confident handling. A 6-speed manual transmission is available on select hatchback trims. The 2025 Mazda 3 hatchback launches in summer, followed by the sedan in fall. Visit your nearest Mazda dealership to experience the perfect balance of style, innovation, and driving excitement. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Spectre. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre is the brand's first fully electric ultra-luxury coupe, delivering effortless performance with a silent and smooth ride. Its 2 electric motors produce 577 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, ensuring powerful yet refined acceleration. The cabin, accessible through rear-hinged doors, is crafted with the finest materials and cutting-edge technology while maintaining classic elegance. For 2025, Rolls-Royce introduces the Black Badge variant, increasing power to 650 horsepower and 793 pound-feet of torque. It features 2 new driving modes for sharper acceleration, a retuned suspension for better handling, and a more responsive steering system. The Spectre's 102 kilowatt-hour battery provides an estimated range of up to 291 miles with 22-inch wheels. Larger 23-inch wheels reduce this to 266 miles, though real-world tests show impressive efficiency. It supports fast charging but is best suited for home charging. Inside, 4 individual seats offer supreme comfort. The Starlight headliner and illuminated door panels enhance the luxurious atmosphere. Pricing starts at approximately $422,750 and can exceed $500,000 depending on customization. Every Spectre is a masterpiece, handcrafted to reflect the owner's unique taste. Number 3. Mercedes-AMG Glee Class. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG Glee Class is a high-performance luxury SUV that combines power, advanced technology, and refined design. Developed by AMG, the performance division of Mercedes-Benz, it comes in 2 variants, GLE 53 and GLE 63S. The GLE 53 is powered by a turbocharged 6-cylinder engine producing 429 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. The GLE 63S takes performance even further with a twin-turbocharged 8-cylinder engine delivering 603 horsepower, cutting the acceleration time to just 3.4 seconds. Both models feature a mild hybrid system for better efficiency and faster acceleration. A 9-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth shifting, while an advanced air suspension system provides excellent handling and ride comfort. With a towing capacity of 7,700 pounds and a spacious interior, this SUV is both powerful and practical. The cabin showcases premium materials, digital displays, and luxurious features like heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and new Napa leather upholstery options. The bold exterior gets refreshed styling with 4 new color choices. Fuel efficiency is respectable for its class, with the GLE 53 achieving up to 25 miles per gallon on the highway. For the best balance of performance and comfort, the GLE 53 in the standard body style is the ideal choice. Number 4. Volvo XC90. The 2025 Volvo XC90 is a refined and innovative luxury SUV that combines modern technology, premium comfort, and strong performance. While its core design has remained for over a decade, Volvo has introduced updates for 2025, enhancing its styling and features. This SUV offers 3 engine options. The base model delivers 247 horsepower, balancing power and efficiency. A mid-tier version with a supercharger boosts output to 295 horsepower, while both include a 48-volt hybrid system for better fuel economy. The plug-in hybrid generates 455 horsepower and can drive up to 33 miles on electric power alone. It also achieves an impressive equivalent of 66 miles per gallon. Inside, the XC90 showcases Scandinavian luxury with high-quality materials like open-pore wood and premium leather. It seats up to 7 passengers, though the third row may feel tight for adults on long trips. The mid-2025 update will introduce a larger 11.2-inch display, better sound insulation, and an improved suspension. For the best balance of luxury and value, the mid-range Plus trim with 295 horsepower is an excellent choice. With timeless design, advanced technology, and strong capability, the 2025 XC90 is a true statement of excellence. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is a perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and technology. It brings the refinement of the larger S-Class in a more agile package. Compared to the BMW 5 Series and Audi A6, it stands out with a more elegant interior and advanced infotainment system. While not the sportiest option, it excels in smoothness and sophistication. New for 2025, the E350 is now the base model with rear-wheel drive, while all-wheel drive remains optional. The E450 retains all-wheel drive as standard. A center-mounted airbag enhances safety, and a new Patagonia red color is available. Prices start at $63,500 and go up to $76,290 depending on trim and options. The E350 has a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor, producing 255 horsepower. The E450 features a turbocharged 3.0-liter 6-cylinder hybrid system with 375 horsepower. The E350 reaches 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds, while the E450 does it in 4.4 seconds. Fuel economy is excellent, reaching up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway in real-world tests. Inside, high-quality materials and spacious seating provide a luxurious experience. The trunk holds 12.7 cubic feet, smaller than some rivals. The coupe and convertible versions have been replaced by the CLE class, while the E-Class wagon remains available. Number 6. Subaru Outback. The 2026 Subaru Outback is set to redefine adventure. For over 30 years, it has been a reliable companion for those who seek both versatility and capability. Now, Subaru is making bold changes, transforming the Outback into a more rugged and modern vehicle. Spy photos reveal a taller, squared-off design with a stronger sport utility-like presence. Sharper angles and an upright stance enhance its rugged appeal. Under the hood, the Outback is expected to introduce a hybrid powertrain, following the 2026 Forester. The current engine lineup will likely remain, featuring a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with 182 horsepower and a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine with 260 horsepower. Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive will ensure confidence on any terrain. Inside, the Outback will continue to offer comfort, space, and advanced technology. A range of trims will cater to different needs, from budget-friendly models to premium versions. Pricing is expected to start around $35,000, with top models potentially reaching $50,000. The 2026 Outback embraces modern innovation while staying true to its adventurous roots. Subaru is set to unveil the new model in 2025, marking an exciting new chapter in the Outback's legacy. Number 7. Volvo S90. The 2025 Volvo S90 is a luxury sedan that offers a spacious interior at a competitive price. However, it has some quirks. Its platform is aging, and all models use a 4-cylinder engine, which lacks the refinement of some rivals. For 2025, Volvo has simplified the lineup. The plug-in hybrid is now called T8 all-wheel drive, and the top trim is renamed Ultra. Prices start at $59,495 and go up to $72,395. The T8 is the best choice, offering more power and efficiency than the B6 mild hybrid. The B6 mild hybrid has a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a 48-volt hybrid system. It reaches 60 miles per hour in 6.4 seconds, but is not as refined as competitors. The T8 plug-in hybrid is quicker and quieter, though the gasoline engine can sound rough. Ride quality is firm and steering lacks precision. The interior is luxurious with high-end materials and comfortable front seats, though the steering column lacks power adjustment. The infotainment system features a 9-inch touchscreen and supports Apple CarPlay. The Volvo S90 stands out with its design, space, and technology, offering a unique take on luxury sedans. Number 8. BMW 5 Series. The 2025 BMW 5 Series blends luxury and performance, but leans more toward comfort than sportiness. Positioned between the compact 3 Series and the large 7 Series, this mid-size sedan offers high-quality materials, advanced technology, and a spacious cabin. A fully digital dashboard keeps the driver informed, while premium seating ensures comfort on long journeys. The standard model features a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 255 horsepower, while the 6-cylinder version delivers 375 horsepower. The plug-in hybrid 550e combines a turbocharged 6-cylinder engine with an electric motor, producing 483 horsepower and around 40 miles of electric-only driving per charge. All-wheel drive is available on most models. The redesigned 5 Series starts at $59,375, with the top trim reaching $73,875. The 530i achieves 27 miles per gallon in the city and 35 on the highway, while the 540i delivers slightly lower figures but offers more power. Inside, the cabin features premium materials, a seamless climate control system, and an optional panoramic glass roof. Additional packages offer heated and ventilated seats, massage functions, and premium lighting, making the 5 Series a luxurious and technologically advanced choice. Number 9. Nissan Altima. The 2025 Nissan Altima is a practical and efficient mid-size sedan with a sleek design and a spacious interior for 5 passengers. It offers a comfortable ride, modern technology, and good fuel economy, making it a solid choice for families and daily commuters. A major change for 2025 is the removal of the turbocharged engine, leaving only a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with 188 horsepower. It is paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission, delivering smooth but modest acceleration. Handling is precise, and the ride remains comfortable over rough roads. Fuel efficiency is a strong point, with front-wheel drive models achieving up to 39 miles per gallon on the highway. All-wheel drive is available for an extra cost but slightly lowers fuel economy. Nissan introduces a special edition package for the SV trim, adding a larger infotainment system, wireless charging, a sunroof, and sporty exterior details. Pricing starts at $28,140 and goes up to $34,470 depending on trim and options. While not the sportiest sedan, the Altima excels in reliability, comfort, and value. It is a great option for those seeking a fuel-efficient and well-equipped family car. Number 10. Jeep Cherokee. The 2026 Jeep Cherokee is making a return after 3 years, now featuring hybrid power for the first time. It will offer both a traditional hybrid and a plug-in hybrid version. The front-wheel drive model is expected to use a system combining a gasoline engine, an electric motor, and a dual-clutch automatic transmission. Meanwhile, an all-wheel drive version with the 4xe badge will provide extra power and traction for off-road adventures. Positioned between the Jeep Compass and the Grand Cherokee, the new Cherokee will compete in the growing hybrid SUV market. With Jeep's off-road expertise, it aims to stand out against modern rivals. Pricing is estimated to start at around $31,000, going up to about $42,000, depending on trim levels and options. A rugged off-road focused model is also likely. For the first time, the Cherokee will be available only as a hybrid. While European models use a 1.5-liter gasoline engine with an electric motor, the American version may receive a more powerful setup. More details on performance, towing capacity, battery range, and technology will be revealed closer to launch.